Hello everyone, I am Madhusri here studying first semester MSc Mathematics at National College Jayanagar. Today I am going to discuss about unique factorization domain. Now we start with definition, and that means general definition of unique factorization domain. In an integral domain, R comma addition to multiplication is said to be unique factorization domain. Now we satisfy two conditions in defining unique factorization domain, that is R is factorization domain, and second one is let A is a non-zero non-unit element of R. That means A is a non-zero and non-unit element of R. Now A is quotient in it is A is in expressed as in two way, that is A is equal to U dot P1 P2 so on PR, and another term A is equal to V dot Q1 Q2 so on QR, where U and V are units. Unit means an term whose inverse also belongs to R and itself. You know meaning of unit, and an term whose inverse also belongs to R itself, where Pi and Qi are invertible element. Pi and Qi are invertible element. Now we discuss standard definition of unique factorization domain. Let R be a integral domain with unity, then R is called unique factorization domain. R be a integral domain with unity, then it's called factorization domain. R be a integral domain. Integral domain means commutative ring R is said to be an integral domain if it has no zero divisor, which satisfy the conditions. First one, any non-zero element in R either unit or can be written as product of finite number of irreducible element of R. We consider any non-zero element in R either unit. Unit means an term is inverse belongs to R and itself, written as product of finite number. We consider finite number of irreducible element of R. Then second condition is if A is equal to P1 P2 so on Pm, and A is equal to Q1 Q2 so on Qn. The this term and this term is expressed and in finite number of irreducible element of R in A is expressed in two ways, that is A is equal to P1 P2 so on Pm, and A is equal to Q1 Q2 so on Qn, where Pi and Qi are irreducible element in R. Then M is equal to N, and each Pi is a associated of some Ai. Each term is associated of some Aj. This is the definition of standard definition of unique factorization domain. We also define unique factorization domain in word. We define word to word is domain means a domain is an integral domain. Then factorization means we consider a one x is a product of some elements, we call as factorization. Unique means we already know unique means only one. Unique means only one. In unique factorization number, now we discussed one theorem based on unique factorization domain. Unique factorization domain means let R be an integral domain with unit and then is called unique factorization. And now following some conditions, we already discussed two conditions. These conditions in unique factorization theorem. Using this condition, we have to prove unique factorization theorem. Now we discuss theorem of unique factorization domain, that is in unique factorization theorem in this theorem is if R is a unique factorization domain, then R of X is also UFD. That means U means unique, F means factorization, D means domain. In for short unique factorization domain, we write it in short form UFD. We've already discussed what definition of unique factorization domain, that is let R be an integral domain with unity, then it is called unique factorization domain. Following two conditions, that means they satisfy two following conditions, that is any non-zero element in R is either unit or can be written as the product of finite number of irreducible element of R. And then second one is if A P1 P2 Pm and A is equal to Q1 Q2 so on Qn, where Pi Qi we already discussed. Two A's are expressed in finite number of irreducible element of R. R is a unique factorization, that R of X is a polynomial ring. What is the definition of polynomial ring? Let R be a commutative ring and Rx is the variable, the set of form R of X is equal to F of X is equal to A0 plus A1x plus A2x square plus so on An xr, and such that A0, A1, A2 so on An belongs to R is called ring of polynomials over R. Now we discuss proof of this theorem. Proof. Um, let let R of X be a polynomial ring where R of X, we already discussed definition of polynomial ring, that is R of X is equal to F of set F of X is equal to A1 plus A1 x plus A2 x square plus so on An xn, such that A0, A1, A2 so on An belongs to R. In this we consider as R of X is equal to F of X from F of X equals summation of K is equal to 0 AK xk AK belongs to R. um, F of X from F of X is equal to summation K to 0, K from summation K from 0. That means AK, we consider AK A0 x power of 0, A1 x power of 1, that's so on. AK belongs to R, AK in R. The set of all polynomials over the UFD means a unique factorization domain in R. The set of all polynomial over the UFD. Let any f of x belongs to R r of x, then f of x can be uniquely expressed. That means uniquely means only one way we expressed on f of x is equal to c f1 of x. Let any f of x belongs to r of x, then f of x belongs to r of x, then f of x uniquely expressed. Then, f of x only one way expressed as f of x is equal to c f1 of x. C is content, f1 of x is primitive polynomial. f1 of x is primitive polynomial. C is content, where C is where C equals C of F. C is R element. Then where C is equal to C of F, and f1 of x belongs to f of x. F of x is belongs to f of x. F of x belongs to r of x. R of x means polynomial. F1 of x belongs to f of x belongs to f of x is a primitive polynomial over polynomial over UFT. f1 of x belongs to f of x is primitive polynomial over unique factorization domain. Then we can decompose f1 of x. Then we decompose f1 this f1 of x. Then we decompose de- decompose f1 of x is a unique way. Unique way means only one way. We can decompose the f1 of x. It is only one way. Is only one way has of irreducible element of r of x. Is and the only way has the product of irreducible element of r of x. As is unique way as of product of irreducible element of r of x. Then we decompose f1 of x is unique way as product of irreducible element of r of. Suppose that C sorry the C is content. C is expressed as, suppose C equals a1 of x, a2 of x, so on, ak of x, where ai of x belongs to r of x. ai x belongs to r of x. ai is in r of x for all I is equal to 1, 2, 3, so on n. ai of x belongs to r of x, and the ai of x is in r of x. Yes, ai of x is in polynomial ring r of x, but c belongs to r, but c belongs to r. Then for all degree of c is equal to 0, must be 0. A degree of c is like we written as dg of x, dg dg of c equals 0. Degree of c belongs to R. It must be degree of c equals to 0. Now we know c we know value of c is c equals a1 of x, a2 of x, so on, ak of x. Now c is in c we now we return c is in form of degree of c, that is now degree of c equals degree a1 of x plus degree a2 of x plus so on plus degree of ak of x. We already discussed c belongs to R. The degree of c is 0. Now we apply the c, degree of c value is 0. Then this form tends to 0, like degree of degree of c is 0 equals degree of ai of x. ai of x belongs to r of x and c belongs to R. We return as degree of ai of x is equal to 0. Degree of ai 0 is equal to 0. That means we apply the degree of c. Degree of c is equal to 0. So this statement, this equation tends to like this: degree of ai is equal to 0. Then ai of x belongs to R of x. ai of x is equal to belongs to R of x. For all I is equal to 1, 2, 3, so on, n. Then the only factorization of c as an element of Rx of R of x is that is already add as an element of R. The only factorization of c has a element of R of x is that it already had as an element of R. C is factorization of factorization as an element of R of x. C is the factorization as an element of R of x. R of x is already add element of R. C is a factorization as element of R of x. R of x is it already as an element R of x. C is already have as an element of R, in particular an irreducible element in R is still irreducible in polynomial ring R of x. In particular, an irreducible element in R is still irreducible in R of x. That is the product of finite element, a finite number of irreducible element in R. We already discussed in definition of unique factorization domain two conditions we already discussed. In that, the product of irreducible element in R uh, is still irreducible in R of X. Thus, um, if thus R is UFD and C as unique factorization has a product of irreducible element of R. R is a UFD. R, we already discussed, R is a unique factorization domain and Z is C as unique factorization, same as the content as unique factorization. uh, Unique factorization means C belongs to R. uh, then factorization has a product of irreducible element of R. C has unique factorization as a product of irreducible element of R. Oh my god. Thus, f of x belongs to R of x can uniquely expressed as product of irreducible um, irreducible element of R of x. We already discussed R of x belongs to f of x belongs to R of x, then f of x can be uniquely expressed. F of x is equal to C f1 of x. That is thus we consider f of x belongs to R of x can be uniquely expressed as a product of irreducible element. Yeah, f of x belongs to R of x can be uniquely the only one way to express as product of irreducible element of R of x. The product of irreducible of f of R of x. Hence, R of x is also unique factorization domain. R is a unique factorial domain, then R of x is also unique factorization domain, UFD, hence the proof. What we discussed in this theorem, once again we will discuss, summarize. um, first we discuss, or let we consider, or we know that any f of x belongs to R of x, then f of x can be uniquely expressed f of x as f of x is equal to C f1 of x. C is content, f1 of x is relatively polynomial. f1 of x is primitively polynomial, where C is equal to C of f. C is element of R. C is R element, and f1 of x belongs to f of x is primitive polynomial over uniform factorization domain. Then when we decompose f1 of x in unique way as product of irreducible element of R of x, as a product of irreducible element of R of x, suppose C uh, C is expressed as a1 of x, a2 of x, so on, ak of x, where ai of x belongs to R of x. Ai of x is in R of x, for all I is equal to 1, 2, 3, so on n. But C belongs to R. In case C belongs to R, the degree of C must be 0. Now, degree of C is equal to degree of a1 of x plus degree of a2 of x plus so on, plus degree of a of x. Degree of C is 0, then this degree of degree this expression as tends to 0. Degree of ai of x is equal to 0. ai of x belongs to r of x. The only factorization of c as element of r of x is already as an element of r of x is already add an element of r. In particular, an integrable element are still irreducible in r of x. Thus, f of x belongs to r of x can uniquely expressed as product of irreducible element of rx. Hence, r of x is also unique factorization domains. Hence the proof. This is proof about if R is a unique factorization domain, then R of x is also unique factorization domain. I hope everyone get in proof of this theorem. Thank you for watching this video.